That's why we take everything out of the box. I need to start looking here and not there. I'm gonna learn this YouTube stuff. Hopefully you can't hear my cat eating in the background. I'm sorry. He has to crunch. Oh, I dropped it. So here's an upgrade. New light, new little area to film against. I'll maybe get some stuff to film back there if I keep doing filming stuff, YouTube stuff. I got a new light and a new tripod and we're all set up for filming. It's a wig day because my hair actually desperately needs cut and dyed. So I'm not gonna bother with trying to style it when I know it's not gonna work. So they were just doing this cute little like grunge zombie goth emo look. Because it's 2019, so let's go back to that, huh? What we're actually talking about is that I went to get my package, and I guess I got it delivered to me. And I do monthly contact and wig reviews for Uniqso. They sell lots and lots and lots of stuff, but I've been using them for contacts for years. So it's super cool that I get to do reviews for them, especially like sponsored ones. Super cool. So I get these things for free. And this month I got something a little bit bigger than 2 contacts. I'm serious, like I'm super excited about this because I was not expecting this at all. And I've like used Uniqso for forever and like they're just starting to roll out, at least as far as I can tell, they're just starting to roll out the little panda mask, or not panda, polar bear mascot. And he's super cute and there is so much stuff in this box, guys. So much stuff in this box. I took it out so it didn't jingle around, but I haven't looked at anything yet, so I'm super excited to look at that with you. But I was just expecting 2 contacts and it looks like there's like 7 sets in here and that is absolutely insane. So we're gonna go look through this mystery box because I'm super excited about it because this is such a like sweet surprise, like seriously. This thing in the box, kind of silly, just because it comes usually along with it, but I got these. I got 7 of these, but I got little contact cases. These ones are my like new favorite. Uniqso's been sending them and they have like a little screen so you can see which kind of lens is in there without actually like having to open it, and that's super convenient and I love these so much. It's so silly how much I like love these little contact cases. Other necessity things, I got a little cleaner for my lenses so I can put the lenses in there and you shake them up. Super nice to have. I have one of the big ones from like Target, but it's super nice to have another one. And then I got this little cute little bear guy. And he's filled with, I don't want everything to fall out, but like lens supplies if you wanted to carry like a pair of contacts, which is super convenient for a cosplayer. I know I usually end up taking more than 1 pair, but like I'm going to a con in like 2 weeks. It's a little mini one, so I can bring this to take my contacts out if I get tired. But he's super cute. He has a little mirror. He comes with like a little thing for contact case solution, and it's super good, super sweet. 2 of these are the lenses that I actually ordered. 5 of these are not. Oh, I don't know any, I have no idea what the rest of these are. These are the ones I ordered. These are the ones that I actually wanted to review because I hadn't seen anybody have these on like green eyes, like my eyes. But they're rainbow, which is super cool. Second pair are the other ones I ordered. Cool. These ones I got for Larry from Sally Face because I realized his eyes are gray and not brown like I had been doing. So I'm super excited for that. They're kind of like spider webby, so I think it'll look really cool. So now that means I don't know what any of these are other than that. Oh, cute. Looks like these ones might be like the ones I have in. I have ones that make my eyes a little bit greener than they normally are. So it's like, whew, it's a little bit folded in there. But looks like a brown, like amber color. They're all by the Sweety brand, by the way. They're all under like Sweety on their website. And these are prescription. They're actually in my prescription. Awesome. That's super sweet because we have talked enough that they know what my prescription is and probably went back and looked at that to send me stuff, which is super sweet. Like, this is so nice. I did not actually like think this would happen in a million years. Like, this is amazing. They sent them to me, but I'm not like being paid to say nice things about them. Like, I wouldn't do that if it wasn't as amazing as I genuinely think it is. Like, this is so nice. Like, it feels very sweet. And then I don't know. Oh, these are cute too. I wonder if they're all gonna be like this, because these are like also kind of natural. And I don't know if you can even tell. what they look like in the case. But they're green on the outside and then yellow on the inside. So that'll be interesting to see what they do with my eyes, because my eyes are already green. Another pair. Okay, these ones are also supernatural, so maybe like supernatural. They're all like these like cool. What kinds are these? These say Sweety. So I don't actually know what kind these are. Because I don't have like a lot of like ones I could just wear to work that are a different color. I wonder if there's blue ones though. But yeah, these ones are blue. So they're like yellow and then they go to blue. These are cute. I might use them for like Marvel cosplays or whatever, because I use these ones for Loki. So like I try to go a little bit more natural for those guys. Ooh. Oh, these are really cute. I think I've had these before. Yeah, these are the nudie ice ones, so they're like blue and then black. Yeah, I got these for myself a couple years ago, so that's really sweet. But that is all the lenses that I got, and that's super awesome and super amazing that they sent them. So when you get contacts like from online sellers and stuff, like you really need to be careful, but you also should soak them for at least a day in contact solution so they can not, so they like won't hurt your eyeballs when you put them in, because what they're actually in is like not good for your eyes. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this, hopefully I can get back into doing some YouTube, because I really do enjoy it. If you like this or like what I do, you can follow me on Instagram. That's mostly where I'm busy. Stella, just like it is here. And then I have a Twitter and stuff as well. If you want to follow me, I'm usually Stella wherever I am. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you later. Bye.